Welcome back to See My Review, the place where we unbox, explore, and review the freshest gear in the game. Today, I've got something super special in store for you. We're unboxing the Air Jordan 4 Retro OG SP Nigel Sylvester, brick by brick. This is not just a sneaker, it's a statement piece. From the box alone, I can already feel the vibe, and I can't wait to show you every little detail. Just look at that firewood orange suede. Absolutely stunning. The color is inspired by the iconic red brick streets of NYC, a tribute to where pro BMX rider Nigel Sylvester built his legacy. You've also got that beautiful sail midsole which contrasts the upper perfectly. These kicks scream quality and style. Whether you're a rider, a collector, or just someone who loves a unique pair of Jordans, this pair hits all the marks. Don't forget, all the links you need are in the description below. From the product page to social accounts and contact numbers, it's all there. Scroll down. If you're into sneakers or always on the hunt for fresh fashion pieces, let me put you onto a gem. www.getitkick.com. This site has quickly become a go-to destination for sneakerheads and style enthusiasts looking for premium kicks and on-trend apparel without breaking the bank. What sets OG Kick apart is not just its impressive product range, which includes everything from the latest sneaker drops to classic silhouettes and streetwear staples, but also its commitment to authenticity. Every item on the site is 100% genuine, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the real deal, not a knockoff. Plus, the prices are surprisingly affordable, especially considering the quality on offer. Shopping on OG Kick is smooth and secure, with a variety of trusted payment options to choose from, and they've got your back with fast, reliable shipping that gets your gear to you in no time. I also have to shout out their customer service. It's responsive, helpful, and genuinely focused on making sure you're satisfied with your purchase. Whether you're unboxing your latest heat for the gram or just upgrading your everyday fit, OG Kick delivers the goods. So if you're serious about style and want a shopping experience that's as legit as the sneakers you're buying, you'll definitely want to check out www.getitkick.com. Click, and you'll be just a few steps away from owning a piece of street culture history. If you enjoyed this unboxing and want to see more exclusive releases and killer deals, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future drops. This has been another episode of See My Review, and until next time, stay fresh, stay fly, and keep stepping up your sneaker game.